Tech Talk on Low Complexity Motion Software. First one, I am going to tell about introduction. Low bitrate video compression techniques play an important role in multi-user video conferencing applications. When people deliver real-time video contents over the internet, they often use temporal subsampling as well as frame size reduction in order to decrease the bandwidth requirement to restore the original frame rate and improve the temporal quality. People usually reconstruct the skipped frames using interpolation in the decoder. How to accurately reconstruct the skipped frames using interpolation without introducing significant computational overhead is a key challenge. Block-based motion estimation and pixel-wise motion estimation are the two main categories of motion estimation methods. It is well known in video coding that using a smaller block size might reduce the energy of residual images and consequently improve the coding efficiency. For real-time video applications, reducing the complexity of a computing process is significant. If the motion vectors embedded in a bit stream can be utilized, the computations of motion estimation can be significantly reduced. The next topic I am going to tell about the proposed method. The proposed method compresses several steps. First, the motion vectors embedded in a bit stream are classified into two groups. One group contains those motion vectors that are considered to represent true motion that could be directly used in interpolation. The other group contains bad motion vectors. Then overlapped block bidirectional motion estimation is carried out on the second group. After that, a motion vector post-processing technique is used to smooth the motion field. Finally, overlapped block motion compensation is employed to generate the interpolated frame. Next topic I am going to tell about motion vector classification. Motion vector classification generally for most sequences, the majority of motion vectors embedded in the bit stream are close to the true motion. However, some other embedded motion vectors may result in serious blocky artifacts if they are directly used in frame interpolation, because motion vectors embedded in the bit stream are obtained for the purpose of minimizing rate distortion cost. In the video coding literature, the sum of absolute differences is used to detect zero motion, while in the error concealment literature, people use the boundary absolute difference to measure the accuracy of motion compensation. Unfortunately, neither SAD nor BAD is efficient in picking out bad motion vectors. SAD often fails to point out true motion when local variation is small, when BAD often fails when local variation is large. In experiments, we found that combination of these two measurements can provide a better performance. This is the following block diagram of about the proposed method. Embedded motion vectors from bit stream is formed to motion vector classification. In motion vector classification is classified are of two types. They are keep embedded motion vector, overlapped block bidirectional motion estimation. In keep embedded motion vector and overlapped block bidirectional motion estimation is formed to motion vector smooth, and motion vector smooth is formed to OBMC. Overlapped block bidirectional motion estimation. As we have described before, embedded motion vectors do not always represent the true motion. For bad motion vectors, we should perform true motion estimation for the corresponding blocks. An 8x8 block size is used in our scheme instead of 16 by 16, which is widely used in other MCFI schemes. Using a smaller block size leads to a denser motion field and consequently brings two advantages. The neighboring motion vectors are more highly correlated, thus the motion vector prediction will be more effective. Better motion estimation, especially at the boundary of moving object, is obtained if the motion vector is accurate. Both advantages will be discussed more specifically below. This is the following diagram of overlapped block bidirectional motion estimation. Motion vector post-processing and OBMC. It is observed that there are still a few bad motion vectors which will bring annoying artifacts and degrade video quality significantly. Most artifacts originate from discontinuities in the motion field. So it is desirable to find a method to identify such motion vectors which break the continuity of the motion field. Conclusion. A low complexity motion compensated frame interpolation method. It is composed of three steps. First, it examines the accuracy of the motion vectors embedded in the bit stream. Second, it carries out overlapped block bidirectional motion estimation on those blocks whose embedded motion vector is regarded as not accurate enough. Finally, it utilizes motion vector post-processing and overlapped block motion compensation to generate interpolated frames and further reduce blocking artifacts